relearning how to make eggs because I lost that ability, that skill.
Just kind of you can just tilt it like that and do the same thing, but and turn it on to like there at around 3 o'clock. So
To here?
this is off, and then push in and turn. There you go. Or then put it about 3 o'clock and let it get hot.
I can't really see the letters or numbers on there very well.
I can't either. So turn it on there at like 3 o'clock, but that direction.
Yeah, this direction is slightly down.
Yeah, I can't read it either. So 3 o'clock is medium high. And then down here at about...
It's even higher?
It's lower.
It's lower?
Yeah. It's like medium. And then it's like medium. This is medium low. And that's like low. That's off. And then just put it at 3 o'clock, let it get hot.
Oh.
Yeah. I can't see the numbers on there either, but I remember the direction of the dial. Control it. Oh, we'll make 2 eggs. I'm almost,
Yummies.
yeah, almost out of eggs. So
Can I crack one?
let this get hot. It shouldn't take long because it was already kind of warm because I was using it earlier. So I think it's hot enough. Crack, so use like the edge of the stove right here, like. That's good, that's good. You're getting eggshells. You got
Oops.
eggshells in there. Yeah. Oops. I can't get it. It's all squishy. There we go. Got a piece of eggshell in there. There's one right there. Trying to get at it before.
There's eggshells.
Yeah, because you used just one hand. You got.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Try and see if I can get that out. It's starting to get hot now. There we go.
And there's one full yolk.
Yeah, I'll just teach you how to smash it. It's easier when they're mashed. So just wait until it starts to cook around the edges. Because if you don't wait for it to cook around the edges, it'll just turn more into scrambled. It should be like that, like a flat piece. See how it's like. See how it's like pull it away from the side, like that. The way that I like to do it is take it, get up underneath of it and fold it in half, like that. It's real easy. Scrambled is easier because all you're doing there is just putting eggs and milk and scraping the bottom of the pan when you cook. It's trial and error. You'll have to try it a few times.
Yeah.
Okay. I've burned a few eggs in my day.
Nice.
There you go. Hold on. Want some salt and pepper on them?
Mm-hmm. There's the finished product.
Mm-hmm. There you go.